Welcome. Today, you'll learn how to manage who can see your social networks on the Roblox app for PC, following the latest update. Whether you want to share your socials with everyone or keep things private, these steps will help you take control of your online presence. Let's get started. First, open the Roblox app on your PC and make sure you're logged into the account you want to update. On the left side of the screen, look for the More option in the menu. It's usually represented by 3 dots. Click on More to open up additional settings. Next, select Settings from the list that appears. This will take you to your account's main configuration page. From here, choose Account Info. This section lets you manage your personal information, including your display name, linked social networks, and privacy options. Now, scroll down until you find the section labeled Social Networks Visibility. This is where you decide who can see the links to your social media profiles on Roblox. You'll see several options. Everyone. Anyone on Roblox can view your social links. Friends, followers, and people I follow. Only users you're connected with in some way will see them. Friends and people I follow. A bit more restricted, showing your links only to those you're closer to. Friends. Only people you've accepted as friends can view your social networks. No one. Your social media links are hidden from everyone. Pick the option that best matches your comfort level and goals. For example, if you're building a community or want to grow your audience, everyone might be the right choice. If you prefer privacy, select friends or no one instead. Once you've made your selection, your changes will be saved automatically. You can revisit these settings anytime if you want to update your preferences. That's it. You've now set who can see your social networks on Roblox. Remember, you're always in control of your online presence. Stay safe and enjoy your Roblox experience.